Debt is bad, right? Then why do the richest people and biggest companies in the world use debt every single day? Today, I want to show you why debt is actually making the rich richer, and at the same time keeping millions of people financially stuck. By the end of this video, you'll never look at debt the same way again. Welcome to Money and Mastery, where we help you master money and master life. If you're looking for simple, real-world wealth lessons without complicated jargon, make sure you subscribe to the channel. From a young age, most of us were taught one rule: avoid debt at all costs. Debt is dangerous. Debt is bad. Debt ruins lives. And to be fair, for many people, that belief is true. Credit card debt, consumer loans, and borrowing money to buy things you don't need. That kind of debt keeps people broke and stressed. But here's the uncomfortable truth most people never hear. Not all debt is the same. The rich don't use debt to look rich. They use debt to build assets. Bad debt takes money out of your pocket every month and gives you nothing back. This includes credit cards used for lifestyle spending, loans for depreciating items, and borrowing just to consume. Good debt works differently. Good debt helps you build or control something that produces income or grows in value. Business loans, investment properties, and capital used to grow productive assets are examples of good debt. Instead of draining your money, good debt puts money back into your pocket over time. Think about it. Big companies don't buy everything with cash. They borrow at low interest rates, invest in growth, and use profits to repay the debt. Real estate investors use mortgages to control valuable properties while tenants help pay off the loan. Even governments use debt to build infrastructure that fuels long-term economic growth. Debt itself is not the enemy. Uneducated debt is. So why are most people afraid of debt? Because they were never taught how money actually works. They were taught to work, earn, spend, and repeat. Debt becomes dangerous when your only income comes from one source: your job. The rich use debt with strategy. The poor use debt with emotion. That difference changes everything. Here's a simple rule you can remember for the rest of your life. Never use debt unless it helps you build income, skills, or assets. If the debt doesn't make you more money, increase your value, or move you closer to freedom, think twice before taking it. In future videos, I'll break down how beginners can use smart strategies to grow wealth step by step. If this video helped you see money differently, like it, subscribe, and share it with someone who still believes all debt is bad. This is Money and Mastery. Master money, master life.